Okay, here's a video of my latest Swallow model. This is hull number 6, and I just finished this up June of 2021 here, and it's roughly 18 inches long. It's a hair bigger than original TMY or KMK boats, but frankly I think mine's better. Anyway, I'm making a newer video of one video I have on there already from years ago. This is better quality. So anyway, there she is. It's a beautiful boat. This particular boat came out great. I mean, this is the best, probably the best one I've made. I mean, the paint, everything. So it runs on 2 C-size batteries. There's the rudder I shaped. All the props, rudder, everything. It's all scaled. The windshield's mine, the vents are mine. The step pads are new old stock. Buick ornaments, new old stock. Dash plate I make, steering wheel I make. The switch is new old stock. Prop and a rudder are new old stock. Just pop this off here. Of course, there I signed them inside and everything. And new old stock original motor that was used in the Swallows. Some had, the early ones had horseshoe motors, and I like these motors better because they run better. And you can see how. Anyway, there she blows. These are beautiful boats, and I really like making these. And thanks for all the kind comments you guys give me on my boats. I'm starting to wind this stuff down, I think. This might be the last Swallow I make. And I have quite a few other boats in the works. But anyway, this one came out great. I'll turn it on so you can see the lights. Anyway, there she is. Copy of a TMY, KMK, or ITO, whatever you want to call it. 17-inch Swallow. This is my version, RC Craft. Hope you like it. And you can see this course on YouTube, and I also have it on rccraft.com and on Facebook. And I'll be posting some other boats in the future here. But anyway, these are nice boats. These are relatively rare boats. I reproduce these because nobody else does. And the originals are all beat to heck. I'm restoring 3 of these right now. If you can believe that. So anyway, this has the deluxe paint job on it too, with the curves around on the hatch and stuff like that. A lot of them didn't have that. And I do this color combination because I don't like pink. Because some had pink where this blue is. And I'll restore the originals that way, but on mine I use this Bahama blue. Anyway, thanks again for your kind comments. You can see this on rccraft.com and on Facebook, YouTube, all over the bloody place. Anyway, have a nice day.